So this is one of the most simple ways to connect your Exness accounts to your MetaTrader. Hello guys, welcome to today's session. So as we said earlier on, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Exness account to your MetaTrader 5 so you start trading practically with us. So as you can see, I've logged into my Exness account I created from the last video I made, and I'm going to connect that to my MetaTrader 5. So as you can see, we are on the demo account. I want to use the demo account for the example. It works the same way with the real account. So if you could remember, I made mention of reducing the amount of money in your account so you get realistic with the results. So in case you want to do that, you come right here where they've written set balance. Then from here, you can reduce it to the amount you want. So let's assume I want to reduce it to $100. So as you can see, the amount is now $100, right? So I think with that, we can move on. So the first thing you have to note is the details you need in order to connect to your MetaTrader 5 is your server, your MT5 login as written here, and also your trading password. As you can see here, the server has been given, which is Exness MT5 trial. So we can copy this and move to our MetaTrader 5. So before we continue, if you've not downloaded the MetaTrader 5, you can just open a tab, then you write MetaTrader 5 download. So from here, you can just click on this link, then it takes you to their page. Then you download for Windows, Mac OS, Linux, or the web terminal. So since I've already downloaded it, I'll just move straight to it. So what you do next is you come to file, then you tap on open an account. So from here you can see Meta Quotes Limited. You need to type in the company. So we are going to type Exness Technologies. Okay, so as you can see now, Exness Technologies is here. So in case you are a trader trading with any other broker, you type in the name of the broker here. From there, you can select then next. Since we already have an account, we are going to connect with an existing trade. So the next thing we do is we are going to copy the login details. So I'll copy the MT5 login first. Okay, so it has been copied. Here you can see the server is Exness MT5 trial. So we copy this. So we can check from here. MT5 trial. Okay, so it's right here. So now we enter our password. So now we press finish. So as you can see, we have successfully connected to our MT5 account. So in our next video, I'm going to teach you how to start trading and making a lot of money for yourself. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share this video. Thanks for watching.
Oh, yeah. Oh,